is also called low blood pressure. To cure high blood pressure, we should reduce salt, and to cure low blood pressure, we should increase salt.
Show. Okay. Explain it. Yeah, leave it.
The liver. The liver is an organ that secretes bile juices and it stores some juices that help in the digestion of the body and also help in the cleaning of the blood.
Stomach is the main digestive part. It helps to digest everything that we eat. It has
Yeah, leave it. Next part.
The next part is going to be our intestine. The intestine. This is an organ present in the lower part of our body. This place is where the food that have been eaten goes to be digested, and after that it would be excreted from our body parts.
Leave it.
The last part would be the kidneys. This part